hungry and been like, ow, I'm hungry! Part of the next Owen lineup is cinematography toast. So what exactly do you need to make cinematography toast? Well, you need bread. Then you need a knife. Then you need butter. As you can see, it's butter. I spilled it everywhere. And then you need cinnamon. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do first is you're gonna wanna toast your bread, okay? When your bread is done, it might be hot, so don't hold it like that. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your special Agrio butter. Remember, you have to act quick in this situation. You're gonna wanna take it, you're gonna wanna saw off a piece and just slap it on the bread. Make sure you have a plate. Make sure that your breads are somewhat evened out like that. You can mush it in if you have to. Make sure to just, slice another piece of bread and put it on the toast. Just do whatever you have to make sure that your bread is moistened by the moist. If you have to, you can do like this and compress them together. But remember, your bread is not gonna be like, you're not making a sandwich, okay? If you wanna make a sandwich, check up there where I will be making a sandwich. And once your butter is somewhat melted, you're gonna wanna take your sugar, like this, see this? Just gonna wanna... There you go. So now, your bread should look something like this, and you should be perfectly good. Okay, so you can see the bread is cinematographied. Same with this one. This bread is also cinematographied, and it is definitely spreading around a bit more than I would have liked, but it's still going pretty well. I mean, as you can see, it's good bread. And if you keep watching now, we will have a professional bread taster come in and taste this bread, because bread is the best. You might also have to add a bit more sugar if you have to. There you go. That's a lot more. And then also, again, you can compress them if you have to. Go. And there, your bread should look something like that, and it should taste really, really good. Bread. Oh, shoot, there's a cat in my way! And because we are so confident that you will love our bread, we've hired professional bread taster Owen Casey to come in and take a bite of our bread. It's really good! Yeah, thanks. We beat cats to get the bread. Yeah, really good. Is it the first one that I've made that actually tastes mildly good?